Welcome to our guide on creating a QQ account. QQ is a popular messaging platform that connects millions of users worldwide. QQ International allows users to connect globally, offering services in multiple languages and advanced features. First, let's access the QQ International website by entering international.qq.com into your browser. Once you're on the homepage, look for the prominently displayed Sign Up button. Next, fill out the registration form with your personal information. Ensure you enter accurate details. Choose a user ID and a strong password to help keep your account secure. You'll need to verify your phone number or email address through a verification code sent to you. To ensure security, complete the CAPTCHA challenge as prompted. Take a moment to read through the terms of service and privacy policy before proceeding. Finally, finalize your account and get ready to enjoy all the features QQ International has to offer.